What's up, YouTube? T-Wells back again. Today's video is going to be on 3 ways to stay in shape while you travel. So, it's 2022. I just got back from a trip, and here are 3 ways that I was able to kind of keep my physique. Hold on, let me show you. There we go. So I just got back from vacation, and I'm gonna tell you 3 ways how I was able to maintain my physique while I was there. Number 1, you have to pick a hotel with a gym. I don't care how much it costs. There are plenty of hotels that are reasonably priced. You ain't gotta stay at the $600-700 a night. You can find you something decent for maybe, I would say, $100 to $200 somewhere in there that usually has a gym on site. This is going to help you tremendously. You'll be able to stay on a workout regimen, as well as you're removing a barrier, so you don't give yourself the excuse of, hey man, there's no gym, I can't work out, I don't have a gym. That used to be me. I used to give myself the excuse of, if I can't go to a gym, screw it, I'm not working out. So number 1, pick a hotel with a gym. You remove the barrier, plus you stay on your regimen. We're going from A to B. I don't need you going from A, losing track, going somewhere else to get to B. No. Straight line. All right. Tip number 2, you need to cut the dessert in half. If you're traveling with your significant other, friends, family, whatever, you need to cut it in half. Even if you're by yourself. I know you're gonna eat bad. You ain't got a lot of meat. You do not have a lot of meat. I know you ain't gonna stay on your diet. I don't expect you to. You're on vacation for a reason. But if you're gonna order that dessert, cut it in half. Okay? Get a slice of cheesecake, cut it in half, eat half that night, save the rest for later. Ice cream, whatever it is, just only order half of it. This is gonna help you more than you just indulging on everything. Alright. Number 3. You need to eat fruit and vegetables at least twice a day. So this is real easy. I'm going to give you an example of how I do it. First thing in the morning, with eggs, I get spinach, mushrooms, and usually when I go out to lunch, I'm going to get either a salad or some type of steamed vegetable. Like I said on the previous tip, I know you're not going to eat the best. It's cool. But you need to help yourself where you can. Same thing with the fruit. In the morning, I get either a bowl of fruit, or a banana, orange, apple, whatever your favorite fruit is, you get that in the morning, and then kind of like in the evening time as a snack, you'll get some more fruit. Okay, so let's go over the tips again. Number 1, you pick a damn hotel with the gym. You better do it. 2, you want to cut the dessert in half. 3, you want to eat fruits and vegetables at least twice a day. Not once, twice. Okay? And that's all the tips I have for today. How to stay in shape while you're on vacation. Enjoy yourself, and share this video with a friend, family member, co-worker, whoever. The person that's on vacation with you. Y'all watch this on the way to your trip so you won't mess up. All right, until I see you guys in the next one. Peace.